We made it to Costa Maya, and this is our neighbor for this morning. It's a Celebrity Constellation. It's a beautiful ship too. So here we are. The group is headed to Maya Chan this morning. So we've been there a few times. You've seen it, but it is a nice place, and there are going to be several that have never been. So they'll have a great time. So we're going to head down and meet the group at 9 o'clock. And then since it's kind of a long walk,
Yeah.
so we're going to all walk together so nobody gets lost. So we'll see you there.
Let's move on it to make the group. Here we go. Here's Big Josh. Hello.
Yeah, they're down there.
The windy one. Hey. Andy. Ark Adventures. Mike Clock. It's a little windy.
Just a little bit. I've never seen it.
Very windy.
Wow. Maybe when we get out,
Yeah,
it'll be between their sheds.
Hope so.
And it won't be blowing it down.
Hope so. There's the tunnel we came down.
It's much better now.
It does feel better now.
Not too bad. It was just that being between those two ships.
Yeah, I think so. It's getting sunnier. There's the constellation, and there's the Harmony.
Costa Maya, welcome to Mexico!
There's some of our group.
We survived. Get through here, you're all right.
Bye, family. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Thank you for coming. Thank you for your visit.
Okay, good to know.
Here we go.
Just these cars swing around in this circle. So we got to be careful.
Yeah, that's why you're holding my hand. That way I don't hurt my arm. Ah, there's a car. They don't want to start that.
Oh, are we just like...
Looks like the rain will stop soon.
What you got?
Yeah, it looks like the rain will quit soon.
Group, do you like Mexican food?
Oh yeah.
She's giving tortilla lessons at the Taco Bar in 5 minutes, so she'll teach you how to make your own tortilla with a Mexican bread. If you want to join us in 5 minutes, I'll see you there, okay?
I'll be there.
All right.
I'll be there.
Here's our view. Pretty good. The ship's not moving. I'll get you a view of that later on. Right now, we're gonna sit and eat and drink. So this is what it looks like on a rainy day at Maya Chan. Unfortunately, we had a bad weather for this trip. Still a good day though. Good food. You see those people over there all bundled up. Now you can't even see our ship over there. It's kind of rough now. And in here is where you see people. Now everybody's in here. Woo.
Look over this way. You want to cut through back behind the swimming pool?
Yeah.
We're going to cut off.
Yeah, you got to stop and see the flamingos. Oh, we made it back through security. Now it's just another short walk to the ship. I think celebrities leaving the same time we are.
Are you not hurt? Did you get it? Isn't it crazy?
Barely missed it.
Can they hold the stroller, please? That one has an old. Take mine and Dad's picture, please.
And I think we were way up there.
Yeah, we were way over there. You probably can't see it now. But somewhere over there. This is where we were. Now we can see the actual Costa Maya. You can still see how windy it is, or rough. It's 4 o'clock right now. Ship on board time is 4:30. Still got some stragglers. A little pyramid right there is right where you would meet Maya Chan's pickup. Looks like we got 2 more stragglers and it's like 4:31. All right, we got back from Maya Chan. Gonna head down. Got cleaned up a little bit. Gonna head down for some dinner.
Yeah, it's been a rainy day.
Yeah.
So we got all cleaned up and gonna just grab a bite, and we're pretty tired. So
Yeah, been out. Would say the sun, but there wasn't any.
no,
But,
no sun. But it's been a fun day.
Yep.
Bye.
So we're gonna head down to
It's the
Johnny Rockets.
Yeah, it's Johnny Rockets. It's
Yeah.
right beside the carousel.
yeah.
That's how I remember it.
That's where we're going. See you there.
Bye.
People running around Central Park, and there's my Vader.
Deck 6.
Alright. It's on the boardwalk. At the carousel. Doghouse. And Johnny Rockets.
81 degrees Fahrenheit to 27 degrees Celsius. Partly cloudy skies with a remote chance of a few raindrops throughout the days, hopefully.